Hi there, Kevin from Kevin and Amy, your camping companions, here to show you how to take the battery off of your camper in the wintertime. We're going to put it on trickle charge because here in Buffalo, we are seasonal campers. We're not camping when it's negative 18 degrees out, and you don't want your battery to die when it's so cold. So, taking it out, putting it on trickle charge over the wintertime saves it from having to replace it in the spring. Super easy job, probably take about 5 minutes from start to finish. Let's begin. Which means that our camper here sits for about 4 or 5 months out of the year while there's snow on the ground. You'll find your battery located in the front of your camper on the little metal supports in between the frame. I've already taken the liberty of pushing the tabs in to make the top removal easier, but there's 2 tabs on each side. You just squeeze those, lift straight off, set it aside, and you have a battery. What you want to do is get a 1/2 inch socket, preferably longer, just so you're not running into the length there at the top, and remove. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. As simple as this. It just comes right off. Get it going. You can unscrew each nut, remove the connector, put the nut back on for safekeeping. Don't want to lose that come the spring. Try not to touch any metal with this. Obviously, the other one is still connected. So I'm just gonna hang on to it for a moment and remove the other one. And there you have it. As simple as that. Take the battery out. Look through the handle. You're going to want to keep it somewhere warmer, either your garage or your basement. We're going to stick the trickle charger on there. However, our son borrowed our trickle charger. He's getting one for Christmas. Wait, does this air before Christmas? Sorry. Anyway, once we get that, we'll show you how to hook it up so you're ready to go come spring.
Awesome.
So now that we have our battery charger back from the child, it's a trickle charger. What you want is one that will cycle the battery. So charge it up, let it down, charge it up, let it down. That keeps the battery fresh. So all you need to do is plug one end into the wall, the other end onto the battery. We'll do that now. So you also don't want to put it right on the concrete floor if you're in the garage like we are. So we just got a couple little pieces of wood to set it on. That way you're not getting the cold seeping up from the bottom. So easy as pie. Black is negative, red is positive. You put the black on the negative, put the red on the positive, and you're done. Your little thingy lights up. Green or red light shows that it's charging. Once it gets up, that little green light pops on. Like I said, it cycles through, so it'll show you that it is storage. It'll up and down. So that's it. You're done till spring. So as I had mentioned, black on negative, red on positive. It is marked right on the battery. Neg with a little minus sign, positive with a little plus sign. Black on negative, red on positive.